these dudes here or not? Oh, there they are. I was like, bruh. What's up, y'all? Let me turn this phone off. That shit is dying. Bro, I couldn't even see y'all niggas, bro. It's so dark. I was like, bro, there ain't no way.
Mask on, cause that's air is disgusting.
Yeah.
I didn't go to the used bike, man. I was watching my bike.
You didn't go at all?
I didn't make it.
You was washing your bike?
Yeah, I was washing my bike.
On this day of all days?
It was dirty, man. White wheels, bro. You know how white wheels are.
Sure, but like,
I feel like I gotta at least pull up. You won't pull late, pull up clean, you know.
I guess, but you about to have to watch this again tomorrow. Like, what are we talking about here?
Damn, you can see it. No. It's gonna look bad. It's gonna look bad.
Hey, what the hell?
You never knew you had a rear effect like that?
Nah, I just picked them up today. They're
Yeah, I know that shit. Like,
yeah.
These are nice. How much you got these for?
I paid, I think, $3.99 for them.
I do wheelies, bro. You got shit like
Yeah. I got the crash cages at home. I'm gonna put them on tomorrow morning.
Badass. Powder coated nice.
Yeah.
You got it for how much again?
$2.99. This is like $4.99 for the front, for the cages, and then it cost me like $5.71 to powder coat it.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, dude. I mean, I let you.
Yeah, man. I can see that shit.
No, pretty soon. No cap. Sundays is a stunt ride. Yeah, like with the group, and then I'm pretty sure we're probably gonna end up at the lot. So I'm gonna start practicing. This is 24. Yeah. Thank you. I just got it today, literally. I picked it up from. Thank you. I got the crash cages coming too. I just didn't have the time to put them on before the meet and everything, so they'll be on tomorrow.
Yeah, I couldn't see anything on the way here. Nothing.
Yeah.
It was all. I thought my visor was fogging up. I was like, damn. I was like opening it, and then shit got my eye. I was like, oh, I guess it's dust.
Yeah.
That's bringing it in.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I thought it was two dudes. Okay.
Is that two guys?
Yeah. But I see the braid.
Who's leading the ride?
I can't see shit. The dust. Pseudo.
Pseudo?
Yeah. Pseudo is.
Damn. It's like I guess my eye's sensitive. I can feel it.
I feel it too, man.
You do?
Yeah, it's like big grains of dust.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We're gearing up for this ride out. I just changed the battery. We're about to head over to the bombshells meet. That brother had the right idea. We're about to head out to the bombshells meet. There's cops, as y'all can see, right here, and there's one across the street that's kind of just been chilling for us. Oh, they didn't catch him. There's a bike that was speeding by, a couple bikes or whatever, and those cops hit the U-turn trying to catch up to him, and I guess they didn't catch him, so they're like, screw it, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, we're riding with the group to this bombshells car meet, bike meet kind of thing in Dallas. So just something else to do. We're gonna keep it rolling, you know what I mean? Hey, you work tomorrow or not? Alright, me neither. I'm saying, so anything's possible, right? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got the boy Abraham right here on the GSXR 600. My bad, I forgot he had his clutch hand on. Alright, we riding out now. little crazy. Bro, just do a wheelie. Scaring the shit out of me, man. Riding like that. Damn, some of them just took off. I'm maxed out pretty much. No way, they just take it off, dude. Alright, we're caught up. I'm not gonna cap for a second there. Yo, for real, for a second there I was like, nah, there's no way, we're fully pinned. 124, they're just leaving me. Cannot keep up with those 600s and shit. $600s, 1000s. I feel like some people took the exit, some people didn't. I'm just gonna keep going with them. It's taking all my focus. Sorry folks, not much to say right now. I guess we're just going the wrong way on purpose. What is everybody up to, man? We're just gonna stay with the boy because, I mean, obviously we're going the wrong way and shit. Now we're going east, we need to be going west. But as long as we're together, I guess it's whatever, right? My goodness. Alright, I mean that was close. It probably won't look that close on camera, but it also wasn't that close, you know what I'm saying? It's just, you know, not ideal. We're just getting bad timing. This guy's drifting over in the lane. Yeah, we picked the worst exit too, man. This shit is jam-packed, motherfucking crazy. Crazy. Somehow, if there's a will, there's a way, buddy. Oh my god, my bike is just thin enough. Just thin enough. Thing was spitting insane. I don't even know what that was, man. That did not smell good. Whatever gas was coming out of that exhaust, man. My brother put the wrong gas in his engine. See if we can get back over to the center. those the? Is that them up there? No, it is not. Or is it? I don't even know. Damn, dude. We turned a 19-minute ride into an additional 17 minutes, man. That shit's crazy. Dude, that's insane, man. This guy was just, bro. I knew I should have just followed my gut, man. Just took the right exit. Alright, well. Lesson learned, right? That's life. That's life, man. And now we're in this situation where things could go sideways. Listen, folks, follow your heart, follow your gut. You know what I mean? There's nothing we could do. Like, this entire road is just stopped. It's not even a lane closure. It's just, you know what I mean? Like, things are funneling, or none of that, man. Just, everybody's just stopped. Yeah, it's just got traffic stopped. Well, folks, I guess it's just you and me. Good thing I changed the battery in this thing. Juiced up ocean spray. There's just one mic up there. We're moving. Oh, I turned off the fucking directions. Damn. Bro, turn the map around. What the hell? You guys see the directions? You see the directions, man? They're upside down. Look, what the hell is going on here, dude? Alright, now we're on a solo ride in Dallas, I guess. Now we're on a solo ride through Dallas in a part I've never seen, never even been, man. There we go, now it's fixed. Kinda. Explore the city with me, baby. Oh, this is Gotham for real. We're in Gotham now. Gotham, Dallas. Hold on a second, hold on. You know you're downtown when the roads get bumpy. People start walking real fast, you know you gotta keep moving. I feel like Brian 636 right now. If only I could do wheelies and shit. Soon, folks, soon. Tune in Sunday. Sunday is the stunt ride. And then afterwards we're going to a lot. And I promise you I'm gonna learn, I'm gonna practice. I'm gonna do my best. Bro, look, okay, look at the skyline. You could barely see it through all this smoke, this fog. This dust. I keep calling it the wrong thing. It's dust. That's kind of sick, man. We really are in Gotham. We really are in Gotham, baby. Tell you what, the city needs an Antihero. And we did all this just to get back on that highway. Sick. Well, I guess not. Keep going, 2 more lights. There's some shit in my eye. Oh, it's the dust. The dust is real bad out here in the city. Oh, you got homeless people setting up camp. Man, that's sad, man. Bro, I'll tell you. Somehow we gotta navigate all this shit with an upside down map. There we go. I got it. Take the red to I-35E. I got it. Look how focused my headlight is. My what you call it? High beams. That's how dusty it is out here. Check out the city though. I'm trying to show you the best I can. All right, I gotta look straight. Check that shit out, man. Reunion Tower. Beautiful, beautiful. Pretty much got 5 miles of this, so it's like a rare fucking natural storm, man. That's how the Dust Bowl happened. It didn't rain for years. Plus we were overcropping. So there would be dust flying everywhere. It would get in our house, through any gaps. It didn't matter what you did. You tried to board it up, it would still get in the house. It would be in your food, it'd be in your hair, it'd be in your bed, it'd be in the books you're reading, even if the book was closed. The Dust Bowl was insane. And on top of that, you had the Great Depression. Life was real hard. I remember folks was packing up with everything they could and just riding out, never to be seen again. Talking about California. That's, you know what I'm saying? That's true shit. If you know, you know. Now I gotta. Oh shit. Oh, I see. I see. I see what the plan was. Oh, it's up here. We're almost there. We're almost there. God, we really are in Gotham. Oh my God, you can smell this dust, man. It's like actually sand, dusty. Like, bro, this is bad, man. It's everything from out there in West Texas. I mean, yeah, West Texas out there in the Panhandle, and these like winds are just swooping down. It was bad, man. I guess everybody's trying to get to the bombshells meet. Good thing I'm on a bike, huh? Good thing I'm on a bike, huh? Oh, they got the feds here already. Oh, federales.